welcome to Dot Status, where today I believe we're going to be chatting about something that a lot of people have a lot of trouble with, and that is affiliate marketing, a scam. What do you think about it, Prakash?
Hi Lynn, and hello everyone. So the question we get asked so many times is, have you ever seen the advert online saying make money while you sleep? We see that so often, and to be honest, your immediate thought would be that is a scam, isn't it?
That's right.
Yeah. So I think it's the internet that's trained us to think that something that sounds too good to be true probably involves. If you remember those Nigerian scams that were going on some time ago?
Yes.
And there's a cryptocurrency people selling those sort of things.
Mm-hmm.
And somebody standing in front of a Lamborghini or Ferrari trying to think they've made all this money and trying to sell you a course or something.
That's right. Yes.
So it depends. If you look at the question that you just asked, is affiliate marketing a scam? My short answer would be no. But the long answer would be, let me explain why. When I first heard about it, affiliate marketing, I was curious. Somebody told me you can earn money by recommending products online. And you immediately think that sounds like a job. Because you think about people recommending products that have done forever. But say, if you tell a friend, this restaurant is amazing, all you've done is affiliate marketing. All you simply forgot is ask for a commission. Yes? Your friend goes, he enjoys the restaurant and tells you, yeah, that was great, thank you for the recommendation. But you didn't earn any money. What if you were charging them? You'd earn a commission, yeah? From the restaurant perhaps. So that is affiliate marketing. And it exists everywhere. The funniest part is it's existed for decades. We just haven't noticed it. So I mean, look at examples. Estate agents, house salespeople, insurance brokers, travel agents, they all recommend products and they receive a commission at the end of it, aren't they?
That's right.
But in pure sense, that is some sort of affiliate marketing. When it happens online, suddenly people say, that's a scam.
Yes.
So, apparently everything on the internet has magical scam powers.
I mean, there are scams around.
There are.
Without saying, but there's scams with everything. I mean, I was caught big time. Somebody called Vic Carty.
Yeah.
Do you remember?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, what a scammer.
Nobody got paid. And the guy, you send him leads to sell his product. He stole your emails, didn't he?
That's right. That's right, he did. Yes.
You see, people like that you don't need. There are a few other people like that. Recently I saw a program by a person who's selling, it's only just come out, a new program. It's supposed to be really good. You look at the video and everything, it tells you how to do a review video on YouTube using just a link. But if you go onto Trustpilot and look at the reviews, and the people he's not helped, the support system doesn't exist, and things like that. I won't name the person because I don't want to cause a problem, but there is that scam going on at the moment. Just be aware if anybody's trying to sell you a program that you can do a review video of, say, for ClickBank products, and you put it on YouTube to earn money. There's no support behind that. So.
Absolutely.
And these people like that, to be honest, make online marketing look dodgy.
Yes, that is exactly what happens. And yet there are some really, really good affiliate marketing programs.
There are some genuine people there.
There are.
I mean, the type that you see in front of rental sports car and say, I've made X amount, say £50,000 this week by working half an hour a day. I mean, if that was true, everybody would give their daytime jobs and be doing affiliate marketing.
Absolutely right.
So doctors would be filming for TikToks from their yachts probably. And the accountants would be finally smiling, saying, yeah, everything works. We don't have to do any work. Just stand in front of your Lamborghini, show a few pounds in your hand, do a fake video with money floating around,
Yes.
and they think you made it. But there is people like that. Unfortunately, that gives affiliate marketing such a bad name.
It has.
And because they're just they're exaggerating what they've done. If they haven't done anything at all sometimes.
Mm. That's right. They've done nothing.
Then some people will put somebody else's post saying, oh look, this person made £10,000 in one day, 24 hours. But where? How? You and I both have done affiliate marketing. We know it's not easy. It's very difficult, yeah?
It takes a long time to build an
So
affiliate market.
it is, yeah.
A long time.
So affiliate marketing simply is, we recommend a product, someone buys through our recommendation, and we receive a commission. Obviously, but it's not easy. You have to work hard at it, and you need to explain to people what you're doing.
That's right. And that's the other thing. There's not enough people giving good, solid advice over it.
I mean, there are 2 or 3 good people I follow, and they're really good, and they're genuine people. And those are the products. I mean, take Amazon. That's been doing affiliate marketing for 25 years.
Waste of time.
And one of the biggest affiliate marketing programs, yeah? And that's a genuine product. But on that, you have to really work hard to earn money.
Yeah.
And the commissions you earn are very minimum
They're very small on Amazon.
amount. So that's what people think it's a scam. But it's not, because if you work hard, you can do it,
That's right.
It's a genuine business. You can do it genuinely and run it properly.
Yeah.
And see, people have failed because the main reason they fail is, and the truth that nobody wants to hear, is that they think of it as a magic ATM machine that's going to print you money without any skill,
I wish.
See, they don't want to learn the skills. They don't want to learn how to communicate. They don't want to learn how to help people solve problems or to recommend useful tools. So in other words, they've forgotten how to provide value.
Yes.
And by providing genuine value, you can make affiliate marketing a success. And that's the part that scares top people. Because giving good, genuine value and help takes a lot of effort.
Yes. Yes, it does.
Yeah?
That's the only way to do it.
Yeah. So most people quit before they won't understand what they're doing.
Yeah. That's right. And that's through bad advice.
That's right. And they'll watch a few YouTube videos, try something for 2 weeks, nothing happens, and then declare, oh, it doesn't work, it's a scam.
Yeah. Try it for 2 years.
Yeah. Imagine we apply the same logic to, say, being a pharmacist. I tried my pharmacy for 5 days. I didn't sell anything, so clearly pharmacy is a scam.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
But you have to work harder. It's a 3-year training course. 4 years, you go to do 1 year's pre-reg,
Yes.
And after that, you can become a successful pharmacist as long as you treat your patients correctly. And the same thing applies to affiliate marketing. You've got to help people. You've got to be there to support them. You need to make sure if something doesn't work, you have to explain why it didn't work.
Yes. Absolutely right.
In my opinion, the internet makes everything look suspicious because it's created a problem because anybody can publish anything, which means even there are brilliant educators, but there are also people selling secret systems, make money in 5 minutes sort of thing,
Yeah, right. They're the ones you just ignore.
Yeah. And there are secrets that gurus don't want to share, some gurus, and they want to know because they made it, but they don't want to show you how they made it. So you'll never go very successful if you follow those people. And that's what makes affiliate marketing look a scam,
Yes, yeah. But done right, it definitely work.
It works because I've made some money by doing affiliate marketing.
Yeah.
But if I worked hard, I would make more. But for me, I'm a I've got a lot of other interests, so I do it as more of as a hobby rather than a business. If I treat it like a business like pharmacy, I'm sure I could do very well with it, you know?
Yes. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
the reality is a lot less dramatic. It's a simpler method of helping people discover solutions. And as sooner the people realize that, they'll understand the affiliate market is not a scam. It's about genuinely being there as a support, as a mentor for somebody, coaching somebody.
Yes.
So the more you apply, genuinely recommend something useful, people appreciate it. But when you start pushing rubbish, people will disappear.
Of course. Yes. I mean, I would too, wouldn't you?
Yes. The market sorts everything which is good from bad, you know?
Yes. That's right. Well, there's good and bad in everything, isn't there?
That's right. Yeah.
Yeah.
I enjoy affiliate marketing because you can start small. You don't need any special skills. You don't need a shop front or employees or a huge capital. Just a small laptop and internet connection, and anybody can try. That's
right.
quite powerful, you know.
Yeah. Providing
And
you've
there
got
are
the help. Yes.
and there are people saying they're selling the laptop lifestyle, right? And they say
Yes.
make money from laptop anywhere. They show a picture of them standing in front of a beach with a laptop. Oh, can you imagine having a laptop at the beach? You get all the sand on it.
Yes, you would.
Good, wouldn't you?
Absolutely. And how long would it run before it expired because you've got no electric on the beach?
So these are the sort of people that give it a bad name, you know.
It is.
And because they don't want to work, they think they can work from the beach. But most genuine people will work in the office. Some of them work long hours, long day. They've done it for 1 or 2 years before they actually a success. You know?
Yes, it doesn't happen overnight.
It is. And the real opportunity is, it isn't quick money. It's something better, yeah?
Certainly isn't quick money. But
It's the ability to create something that helps people.
yes.
And
Yes,
it's
it's all about helping people.
It's about spending time, about being consistent, not selling hype, but selling genuine solutions, genuine products. And that way, I think if you do that, more people realize that affiliate marketing is not a scam.
Yes. Yeah.
It's like a tool that depends on how it's used.
That's right. Yes. Exactly that.
I mean, you can use a hammer to build a house or break a window. Same if you use affiliate marketing properly and help people, you can be really successful at it because used well, it creates opportunity.
Yes.
And used badly, it creates YouTube titles like I lost everything in 10 days.
That's right. Yes, it does.
So next time anybody says affiliate marketing is a scam, just smile and ask a question. Have you ever recommended a good restaurant to a friend? And if you have, and they've enjoyed the meal, then you have done affiliate marketing. And you simply forgot to send the invoice. And that's really all it's about.
Yes.
Helping people and being genuinely solving their problems.
Yep. That's
Thank
the
you
way
for
to go.
listening. Okay. I've said all I had to say. Thank you very much. And I'll say bye for today.
Okay, and it's bye from me too. See you next week.